want to go over here and show you what the live one looks like. I'm going to pause it if I can find it. There's a lot of trees. Alright, I see it. I'm getting to it. Just hang on. Alright, I'm literally there now. Check this out. See? I don't know what caused that. Maybe a chainsaw. Right? But let's check it out. Ooh, it's gotten a lot bigger now. I don't know if I'm willing to lose my phone. Here. You see that? Now you got one on the ground over there, and the spider's crawling all over my hand. There's a lot of brown recluse here. That's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. See?